Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Satrujit, your friend, your host, and the owner of a digital agency. I have almost 5 to 6 years of experience in digital marketing. Then I do have few blogs that are doing affiliate marketing, that are doing Google AdSense. So if you don't know what my videos are related to or this channel is related to, then I create videos related to digital marketing, online business, blogging, money making, and everything that can be done online to make money. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, you are missing out a lot of valuable things. Go ahead, hit like button and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification icon. So today's topic was how can we set up a WordPress website or blog within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, yes guys, within 10 minutes. This will be a very descriptive step-by-step tutorial, but I will try to finish it within 10 minutes. So watch this video till the end, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe. So without wasting any further time, let's go into my laptop. Okay guys, so we are back into my laptop screen. So today I'm gonna show you how we can create a WordPress blog or website within 10 minutes using Hostinger. So first of all, I am using Hostinger because I think this is quite easier to manage all your websites. So as you can see, I have multiple websites hosted inside Hostinger. Uh, I like Hostinger because their support is quite great. Whenever I send them some message, they reply me immediately. And you can see I have a lot of site hosted inside this. So how do we create a WordPress blog or a website within 10 minutes using Hostinger? So first of all, I clicked on hosting from my dashboard. So once you click the hosting, it will show the hosting you have. Normally, I have premium hosting, which is for 4 years because I have a lot of websites and most of them are blogs. So I need a premium website because if you get a lot of traffic, the website might get crashed if you are using a cheap hosting. Okay. So first of all, the first step is you have to click on add website over here. Just click on add website. Then put the name of your website. So let's say your website is abcdefgh.com. Then put the name of your website. Then click on add. So in my case, I already have added satrujitmishra.com. So this is the website I'm gonna work on. So once it is added, again click on your hosting, then go down below and see, you can see it is active and created. So as you can see, it is created and active. Then click on manage on the right side. Once you click on the manage, you will see this hosting account of that particular domain. You can, on the left side, using the drop down, you can see whether it is the right domain or not. So this is the right domain. Then what you can do is you can scroll down and check the auto installer. So this is auto installer. Just click on it. Once you click auto installer, just go down and click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, it will ask you for an administrator name. You can give your name, or you can just give a name like admin or something like that, but I will use my name. Then again, a password. You can give any password that you normally do. Then administrator email. I already have an email over here. Then again, website title. So I will give the website title something like Satrujit Mishra blogging, SEO, digital marketing tips. That's it. So the language, it should be your preference, but I have chosen English over here. The version is 5.4.2, which is the latest. Again, the required disk space is 55 MB. So it will take around 55 MB on your hosting space. So as I have unlimited hosting, I don't care about that, but you should check that how much amount of hosting space you have. But I would always prefer that if you are planning a long-term blog, always go with unlimited hosting. Okay, then click on install. So once you click on install, it will take around 30 to 60 seconds. So do not panic if you see this installing animation, okay? Because it will take 60 MB, around 60 MB of file, and it will put it inside your domain. It will install it, and it will make the website live so that you can use it with WordPress. Okay, guys, so the installation is complete. What we can do is we can simply go to the website and check whether it is live or not. So the website domain is SATRUJIT Satrujit MISHRA Mishra.com. So I will type Satrujit Mishra over here. Okay, I opened Google. That's my mistake. Okay, so here we are typing satrujitmishra.com. Okay, here you can see Satrujit Mishra blogging SEO digital marketing tips. So this is what I selected in the site title. And now I'm going to show how you can make it, uh, how you can convert it into a website or blog. So simply put forward slash and WP dash admin over here. So here you can see I am getting redirected to WordPress now because I have installed WordPress in this website. So my username was Satrujit and my password was something I'm not going to reveal over here. Then click login. Now here we are, friends. We are at the WordPress dashboard of my website. So the website is hosted with Hostinger and the website is live with WordPress. Then what you can do is you can simply go to appearance and go to themes. Then again click on add a new. Then you can literally choose any theme you want. So there are a lot of themes here in WordPress. You can click on popular and you can select this one, the Astra. You can click on preview and you can click on install. So now the theme is installing. As you can see, the active theme is Astra right now. So now what you can do is you can simply go over here and click visit site. Here you can see the website has been changed. You can simply go ahead and add pages to it. You can add a blog to it, or simply you can go to dashboard and change the theme if you like. So if you are searching for a blogging theme, then I would recommend you can go for Color Mag. Just click on add new, then search for Color Mag. Here we have ColorMag. Just click on install. Once ColorMag is installed, you can click on Activate. Once the theme is active, you can clear all the cache over here, and you can also clear your browser cache. Then what you can do is you can simply go over here and click on Visit Site. Now you can see your blog is absolutely ready. Now there is one thing you can do. You can simply move your mouse to customize and click on Homepage Settings. Here, if you click on Show Your Latest Post, your website will look like this. If you click a static page, you can choose any page that you want over here. So basically, if you are a blog, you can just choose your latest posts. So that's it, guys. It was that easy with Hostinger. This particular website that will be helping you to create websites on WordPress with ease. So here is how you can create a WordPress website or blog within 10 minutes using Hostinger. So if you think this video was valuable for you, what you can do is go ahead and hit a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want the link to Hostinger, it is down below in the description. You can click on it to purchase the hosting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. What was today's topic? Oh yeah.